Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pinky Gami and today I am going to make a video on basic of Photoshop. But before starting the video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for upcoming videos. Now what is Photoshop? Photoshop is photo editing, image creation and graphic designing software. It is an extremely powerful application that's used by many professional photographers and designers. You can use Photoshop for almost any type of image editing, from touching up the photos to creating the high quality graphics. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the interface of Photoshop. Here you can see there is a logo of Photoshop, file, edit, image, layer, type, select. All these are menus. Below the menu bar, you can see there is a property bar which shows the properties of selected tool. On the left side, there is a toolbar. Now coming to the right side of the interface, there are some panels given called as color panel, adjustment panel, layer panel and more. Time to time you will get to know what are these panels all about. If you are making something or designing something, you have to keep in mind that it is a raster based software. For example, if you are designing a brochure or editing a picture and you do not know the right size and later you enlarge it, your work will go bad. So make sure whatever you create, you should know the correct size. So let's get started. Okay, so I am creating a new file by clicking on the file menu. There you can see there is an option of a new. Shortcut key for creating a new file is Ctrl+N. I am clicking on this option. There you can see dialog box appears. First option in the dialog box is file name. Let's give it a name as a class 1. Here there are some presets given. Default Photoshop size, US paper, it depends what are you designing. I am keeping custom preset for now. So let's keep it in a pixels. There are 1000 by 1000 ratio is already set. Below the width and height there is an option of resolution. Now what is resolution? It is about how many pixels are present in 1 inch. Let's go for the 72 pixels per inch for now. There are some color modes mentioned over here, that is bitmap, grayscale, RGB mode, which we're going to learn in another videos. I am keeping RGB color mode for now. After that there are the bits showing how much bits your document should be made. Let's keep it 8 bits only for now and then press OK. So let's start with some basic tools. But before starting with the tools, make sure your layer is unlocked. Now how to unlock the layer? You just have to double click on the layer and then press OK. Now your layer is unlocked and you can work on it. So first I would like to start with the rectangular marquee tool, which is nothing but the selection in a rectangle shape. I haven't selected one object only, but just some pixels, or you can say in our whole canvas, this part is currently the active area. Now, what if I want to color this active part of the area? On the left side in the toolbar, there you can see there are two boxes. Front one is called as foreground color and the color which is in back called as background color. Now, I want to color this active part of the area. So, to fill the foreground color, I'll press Alt plus backspace, and to fill the background color, I'm going to press Ctrl plus backspace. Now, I want to show some more options related to this selection tool. But for that, I will have to go back. So, shortcut for undo is Ctrl plus Alt plus Z and redo is Ctrl Shift Z. I'm currently doing it now. So now if you notice, when I'm trying to create a new selection, my previous selection is gone. So what if I want to add the selection? I want both the selection. So to add the selection, go to the options and select add to selection. Now I'm creating a new selection and you can see my previous selection is still there. Similarly, if you want to subtract the selection, go to the options and select subtract from selection. And you can delete some part of the area from this selection. Now here comes the intersection. What it will do? The selection you already made and the one you are making now, the common area between them will remain and the rest will vanish. Now let's create something with this tool. I'm trying to make a collage. For that I will need a new document. So go to the file, click on new and take the desired size of collage. Now for making a collage I will require images. So go to the file, click on open and browse for the images. Now select the images with the rectangular marquee tool. Copy the part of this area, press Ctrl C. Coming to the plain document, to paste the image, press Ctrl V. With the help of a move tool, you can move the image. To resize or to rotate, press Ctrl plus T. T stands for transform. To transform the image, to commit the transformation, click on this check button. Repeat the steps for another image. So this is how you can create the collage. Thanks for watching.